To import a chart into a Word document, create the chart in Excel, then right-click it and select Copy. In the target document, right-click the new location. Select a Paste option to embed the chart with either the destination theme or the source formatting, or to link the chart with those same formatting options. To paste and link the chart, select Keep Source Formatting and Link Data. To include the chart in a PowerPoint presentation, select the same option. When the original Excel chart is updated, for example, to change values, revise the data, and the linked chart updates automatically. When a linked Excel chart is updated, but the other app isn't open, to see the changes reflected in the other app, select the chart. Then select Design, Refresh Data. Now the linked chart will reflect changes made in Excel.